Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take a photo of the forest from the observation deck at the top of the tower in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how you can complete this mission. Oh wait, let me pop up this bubble. Alright, and then you can go to the tower. Okay, just follow the stair and it will bring you to the observation deck. Okay, from here you can take a photo of the forest. You can go to the camera menu right here guys. Okay, click on the camera and okay, the photo will be printed and this is the result. And yeah, that's simple. Okay guys, and that's how you can take a photo of the forest from the observation deck. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.